Hakasngi kabaka office traikam district medical and health officer West Gentils district kalapun long ya ka jingraki lengkhus nam ka bashipau jongka lat Jingsumar Ayush lane ka tent Ayurveda day uba Wailadmiki Shillong Mail berikmi ya katanat ka kot kakia ulapan pau bamenta ki Paidbah kila Sdang ban Phaikhmat syakani ka lat Jingsumar. Habakran hakani gaji lang kumukongsan uba Wailadmiki Shillong ulaong banakaliang ke Sokar jela kala Ïaleh ban Pynıyar yakani kalat Jingsumar.
Going to inaugurate the Ayush hospital in Sora, and the tendering process is already on in Kyrwoh Hills, and the construction of the 30-bedded Ayush hospital in Mokundur, it is in full swing. So I hope with this infrastructure coming up, and as you have seen that you have a very dynamic leader in front of you in the form of Zoram Beda, who is heading the Ayush in our state. I am fully confident that under his leadership, the Ayush will grow in our state. And as we all have seen that in today's time, the people have turned toward Ayush. Because in the past, everyone want a treatment which is quick, which is very responsive. But at the same time, we cannot deny the fact that there is a kind of what can we say? The kind of problem also regarding with the many allopathic medicine. So that's why in today's time, a lot of people are turning towards Ayush. As you know that Ayush is not only about treatment, it's a way of life. It's because in today's time, there is no better medicine than a disciplined way of living. That is very much important. So Ayush teach us that. And I really like the way Ayush, the treatment of Ayush, because they treat different disease, different person differently. They have a different way of treatment for a different patient, which is individual. They focus individual patient, which is very good. And I'm really happy to see that even this past week we had a very big fair where the participants have come all over the country, which I hope it have really helped, especially the Ayush setup, which is here in our state, to interact. And I hope that they have learned a lot on how we can expand Ayush in our state. And like Dr. Sumer was saying, that no doubt we are still have a lot of challenges, because still now we don't have any manufacturing for medicine and even the pharmacy, which I again turn toward the doctor here in our state. I think in that part also you should lead. You should not end up only in the treatment part. Even to that aspect also, I think you should try, and we will really happy to see that our own people from the state, and especially as you know that Meghalaya have been blessed with so many medicinal plants. I'm very delighted to know at that time that Pynıyar have started a peripheral OPD that is in Smith, where the rural population can come, because it's not easy for the rural population to come all the way to go to Pynıyar. Just the traveling allowance is too much. So that's why I was so happy to learn, and I urge them that even if possible to please have a peripheral OPD even here in West Gentils district. That it will really help the people, the poor, needy people of our region.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba kham bha ka ka jing im ba khamba pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya